Do's and don'ts of plugging your microphone in. We're going to go over a few situations. So let's assume we're at home. We're ready to record some vocals, and you've got a mic pre. So, you know, for demonstration purposes, I've got one here, dual mic preamp, based on an API, and you know, it's got the usual things: gain, phantom power, phase, and a pad. If you're particularly loud, you can pad it a little bit. So generally, I'd have the gain down, phantom power off, phase off, pad off. That's when we plug in the mic, right? So we go on the back, plug her in, and then we'll just start bringing up the gain generally. If it's a microphone that requires phantom power, so it's a condenser mic, you flip the power on before you do this, right? If it doesn't require phantom power, be safe and don't have it on. So dynamic mics like Shure's 57s, 58s, they can handle it if it's on. If you're using a delicate ribbon mic, you put phantom power on, it's most likely going to go pop. And it's going to be an expensive bill to get it repaired. So you have to be careful with that. And then you can just start monitoring. Once you're plugged in, you're set up, it needs phantom power, flip it on, bring the gain up, bring it up on your console, and you're good to go. And the same goes for a live situation, basically. If you want to plug it into a live console, make sure the gain is down, make sure the fader is down, phantom power off if you're using a ribbon, although I doubt you'll be using it live to sing into. If it needs phantom power, flip it on, bring the gain up, bring the fader up, and start working away like that. If you have your fader up and you have your gain full whack, you're going to plug in your microphone, you're going to hurt your ears, and you might blow up the PA.